What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackman here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. Right now, I'm at a single-family, 3-bed, 1-bath property on the northeast side of Canton, Ohio. We generally are not interested in this particular area, but the property seems like it's in decent shape. And if we can get it for the right price, definitely see if we can put a deal together on it. So right now we're just kind of doing a quick walkthrough, waiting for my partners to get here, see if the deal makes sense. We got some hardwood floors under here, which is good. So anyways, if you or anybody you know wishes to sell a property in the city of Canton or Akron, we're actively looking to purchase at least 2 more properties before the month is over with. We're in the first week of May right now. Give us a call, 330-685-2220, or just visit our website, www.investparamount.com.